Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. Good morning. I was going to go to Pickett today because my husband said it's not supposed to snow until Tuesday night. And then this happened. So it is snowing really good out there right now, and I am not going out in the snow. There's no point. I mean, there's no point in trying to kill myself to get there. I can get it done on Monday, hopefully. This should stop soon. It's been snowing all morning. So I am gonna put about 18 layers of clothes on and go out to my garage and start packing stuff up, because what I was gonna do was go to Pickett, pull out stuff, because there's still some Christmas stuff in there, and then decide what I needed to bring back on Monday. But now it's gonna be all in one day. So Monday is gonna be a big day. And then I will have like little stuff left to do. But I'm gonna go get like my super warm clothes on and go out to my garage. It's cold out, I don't like being cold. But I gotta get some work done today. Maybe I'll find some projects for the 100 Project Challenge when I'm out there. If you haven't signed up yet, click the link in the description below. And sorry, it's really dark because the fluorescents that we have in the ceiling are warming up. It's really cold out here. I have a pair of Cuddle Duds on, 2 shirts, and then this comfy number that my sister bought me to try and be warm enough to find some smalls to fit in my booth this month. I'm gonna find a place to put you guys down, and then hopefully the light gets brighter here. I almost forgot. My sister bought me clear tote bins so that I could actually see what's in my bins. I guess that should have been part of my tools yesterday, but it wasn't. But they're nice because they have a handle. I can go up and down the stairs with this over my shoulder as opposed to carrying a tote. So I was kind of hoping it would make my life easier. Let's see how they work. To be fair, I did tell him there was only like a 20% chance the stuff wasn't coming back in the house. So he said he knew the week of picket fence was gonna be, there was gonna be stuff in the living room, because I sit here and I price and I watch a movie. And yeah, sometimes you just gotta put some music on and dance your way through inventory. I can't help myself sometimes. I decided, and I found this bin that had all of my lake themed stuff in it, including like fishing nets and things like that, that I'm gonna do a fishing display. I figured people, you know, it's gonna be cold. So I'm gonna do more of a nautical display. And then I have this Black and Tackle light that's out there. Oh my God, that thing's like 100 pounds. Anyway, I'm gonna go through these bins, pull out everything, make sure things like this come off the thrift store price tag, get my prices on them, and get ready to go to Pickett tomorrow. I don't think I have much of a choice. It's still snowing, and it has to be done. So snow or no snow, tomorrow I might be creeping through Carlos Avery and trying to get there because I can't. Oh, hang on, there's a problem. I just got alerted to a problem on the website, so I have to go in and fix that before I do anything here. Okay, so that's fixed. Anyway, there was other comments on there that it's like people don't even realize that they're being mean and nasty. It's like, they're being mean and nasty. I own my crap. Anyway, I'm gonna get this stuff packed up, sorted, and then the bins back out because I like it like this too. I don't want it to be messy. So I'm gonna get the pieces that I want to take and then get the bins put away and just take the bags that my sister gave me so that I can, carry them up and down the stairs on my shoulder, and that should be easier. Let's get to work.
Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.